So if you were now to do the decimal to hexa conversion, we would follow the same or similar procedure as that we used to convert decimal to binary, but we involve a two-stage procedure in this case. First one, the integer part of the decimal is converted by repeated division of the quotient by 16 and translating the digits obtained into their hexa symbols. And the second part involves multiplying the fractional part by 16 and the carry that is generated is translated into hexa, and the multiplication process is repeated until the required conversion accuracy is achieved. So we want to do an example to illustrate that conversion so that we can understand those two-step process quite easily. We want to convert this number, which is in decimal, into hexa, or its hexa equivalent. So how do we do it? We have already seen there are two methods involved, but the division by 12 by 16 might be easier. So this is 747 divided by 16. This is 4 because of 64. 107 divided by 16, this is 6, remainder 11, divided by 16 again, this is 2, remainder, that 46 minus that 2 is 14, therefore there is no more division to do, so we take those numbers upwards, we end up with that 747 can be represented in hexa by 2, 14, 11, and you know 14, the symbols that represent any number for hexagon above 9 is A, B, C, D, E, F. So we say this is equivalent to 2EB. Okay, so that is the whole part how it is represented. The fractional part is going to be solved as follows. We said we do repeated division by 16 for the whole part, and we do repeated multiplication by 16 for the fractional part. So what we do is we start with the 254 times or 0.254 times 16. This is 4.064. This is the one we drop. We put it here. We multiply again by 16. 0.064 times 16 gives us 1.024. Again, we drop this one. We put it here. We multiply by 16 again. We get another 0 because this becomes 0.384. Yeah, and I think we can stop there. So the final answer for this conversion from decimal number to hexa, that is the answer for that. This is in base 16.